Hello everyone. Generally, additions are the first concept in mathematics. Adding numbers is easy, but sometimes if they give more numbers at a time, we feel little difficult. Today we will learn a new method in additions which helps us to do additions very fast, okay? That is line method, bar method or dot method. This is actually Vedic math method. This is actually Vedic math method, okay? Let's see now. Let's see one example, okay? 7, 8, 9, 2, 6, 4, 7, 8, 2, 9 and 6. Okay, take these numbers. In general method, how we will do 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 8, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32. Like that we will count. No, it is somewhat hectic and difficult also. It is not only tough, it takes more time. Then we will do in Vedic method, in bar method or dot method. We will see how fast we can do. Okay. Here, whenever you will get 10 or more than 10, then drop a line there. Drop a 10 and carry remaining number. We will see now. 6 plus 9, it is 15. So, in 15, drop a 10 here by drawing a line like this. So in 15 we drop it 10. So how much is remaining? 5. Carry 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Again drop a 10 by drawing a line here. So how much is remaining? Only 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So drop a 10 again. 2 carrying. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So again drop a 10 here. Carry only 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. So drop a 10 here. So how much is remaining? 3. 3 plus 8, 11. So again drop a 10 here. 1 is remaining. So 1 plus 7, 8. Write that 8 here. Now count how many lines we dropped here. How many 10s we dropped here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 here. So the total is 68. So how much time it took? Very less, no? Practice makes more perfect. And one more thing, remember, always keep this bar above the number. It indicates we did additions up to the bar. Okay. We will see one more example. We will see one more example. 3, 4, 6, 8, 7, 8, 7, 4. Okay. So 4 plus 7, 11. So drop a 10 here, carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So drop 10 here, carry 6. 6 plus 8, 14. So drop 10 here, carry 4. 4 plus 6, 10. So here 10 is there, no? So drop 10, only carry 0. So no need to count 0. Directly you can start fresh. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Write the 7 here. So how many times we dropped? How many lines we drawed here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 47. So easy, no? Is it clear? Now we will see 2-digit addition. Okay. 84, 76, 22, 13, 49 and 68. 8 plus 9, 17. So drop 10 here, 7 carry over here. 7 plus 3, 10. So drop 10, 0 remaining, no? So directly you can add 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So drop 10 here. Write 2 here. How many 10s we dropped here? 1, 2, 3. So write 32. Okay, 3. Next, draw a slash like this. Next, add this column also and write here. So we are adding separately. This column we are adding and writing 32 here and this column we are going to add now. Okay, and write the sum here. 6 plus 4, 10. So drop 10 here. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Drop 10. 8. So how many tens we dropped here? Only 2. So write 2 here. So 28. Next, we need to apply balancing rule. It is very important rule in Vedic maths. It is useful in not only in additions, we will use this balancing rule in subtractions, multiplications and divisions also. So listen carefully how to balance. Okay, write this one's place as it is. Then 3 you carry over here. So 28 plus 3 how much? 31. So answer is 312. Do you understand what is balancing rule? Or shall I give you one more example? Let's see 3 digits number. Okay, 387, 743, 727, 686, 445. Okay, then we will do 3 digit addition. So 5 plus 6, 11. Drop 10 here and carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So drop 10 here. 1 plus 7, 8. So how many tens we dropped here? Only 2. Write 2, then draw a slash. Next, 4 plus 8, 12. Drop 10 here. So how much is remaining? 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So drop 10 here. Write 6. How many tens we dropped here? 1, 2. 26. Then again write a slash. 4 plus 6, 10. Drop 10 here. 7 plus 7, 14. Drop 10 here. 4 is remaining. 4 plus 3, 7. So how many tens we dropped here? 2. Write 2 here. So now we need to apply balancing rule. So 8. These 2 will carry over here. So 26 plus 2, it will become 28, no? So we are writing 8 here. This 2 we are carry over. We are carrying here. Okay. So 27 plus 2, 29. 29. No need to write 28 here. Only for understanding purpose I wrote here. Just you need to imagine. Okay. If you do more practice, you can do within seconds. Now I will show you. Okay, with example. 78, 27, 36, 48, 29, 42, 77. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay. See how much time I took for this addition? Maybe less than 10 seconds. So practice makes perfect. Do more practice so you can do so fast. And you need to two important things you need to keep in your mind. One is always keep the bar above the number. It indicates we did addition up to the bar. First point. Second point, you need to draw a line whenever you are dropping a 10. Without drawing a line, without drawing a bar, if you do additions, you will get wrong answers. So these two things you need to keep in your mind. Is it okay?